Lisa, who's an equally wonderful poet, and I'm sure I'm going to see you too. The cavalry.
Okay. I feel like I missed the rehearsal. One night, a man was crying, Allah, 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 Allah. This old building's been needing that. Allah, Allah. His lips grew sweet with the praising until a cynic said so. I have heard you calling out, but have you ever gotten any response? The man had no answer for that. He quit praising and fell into a confused sleep where he dreamed he saw Hitter, the guide of souls, in a thick green foliage. Why did you stop praising? Because I never heard anything back. This longing you express is the return message. The grief you cry out from draws you toward union. Your pure sadness that wants help. Your pure sadness that wants help is the secret cup. Listen to the moan of a dog for its master. That whining is the connection. There are love dogs no one knows the names of. Give your life to be one of them. There are love dogs no one knows the names of. I'd like to hear some names of your dogs, your pets. Scudder, Brother, Appalachie, Stumpy, Scudder. Those all. DG, I forgot DG. Okay. You ever have a name for a dog?
Yes,
What?
You'll come back to life. Oh, it's alright. One day you'll come back to
life. This being human is a guest house. Every night, every morning, a new arrival, a joy, a depression, a meanness. Some momentary awareness comes as an unexpected visitor. Welcome and entertain them all. Even if they're a crowd of sorrows who violently sweep your house empty of its furniture, still treat each guest honorably. He may be clearing you out for some new delight, the dark thought, the shame, the malice. Meet them at the door laughing and invite them in, for each has been sent as a guide from beyond. Thank you, Chris.
everything's alright. One day you come back tonight. Horses slow ride.
Thank you, Coleman. Thank you, Lisa. All right, let's go.